begin by measuring the shower pan area behind the floor cutout. Then dry fit the slope panels. For the last piece, you may need to cut it to size. Simply measure the distance from the wall to the panel, mark that distance on your slope panel, and cut. Next, remove the dry fit panels, and using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square notched trowel, spread a layer of thin set over the shower pan area. When finished, press the panels in place one at a time. Walk on them to press them down.